Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, October 2nd, 2024, we're taking a deep dive into Microsoft stock, and analyzing its current price action in light of recent news. We'll be looking at the 1-day, 1-hour, and 15-minute charts, identifying key price levels, and discussing potential bullish or bearish scenarios. First, let's address the elephant in the room, the recent news surrounding Microsoft's performance. Earlier this week, Microsoft announced a $60 billion share buyback program, which was a positive move for investors as it signals the company's confidence in its future. However, this news hasn't been enough to completely offset the recent pressure on the stock. Analysts are citing AI fatigue and a high multiple as reasons for Microsoft's underperformance, highlighting concerns about the company's ability to sustain its recent growth trajectory. Taking a look at the 1-day chart, we see a clear trend of sideways consolidation over the past few months. The stock has been trading within a defined range, with support at around $320 and resistance at $340. This consolidation pattern suggests indecision in the market, with neither bulls nor bears having a clear advantage. The recent price action has been particularly volatile, with large daily swings that reflect this uncertainty. The $60 billion share buyback program could potentially boost the stock price in the short term, but it remains to be seen if this will be enough to break out of the current consolidation range. Overall, the daily chart paints a picture of a stock that is currently stuck in neutral, waiting for a catalyst to trigger a significant move. This catalyst could come in the form of positive news, such as strong earnings reports, or negative news, such as disappointing earnings or a change in market sentiment. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart and see if we can glean any further insights. The 1-hour chart shows a more immediate picture of the stock's movement. We can see that Microsoft stock has been exhibiting a relatively bullish bias over the past week, with a series of higher highs and higher lows. This suggests that the bulls are gradually gaining control, and the stock could be poised for an upward breakout. The key price levels to watch on the 1-hour chart are the recent support at around $420 and the resistance at $430. A break above $430 would signal a strong bullish move, while a break below $420 would indicate a potential reversal. If we look at the 1-hour chart from the past few days, we see a distinct upward trend, indicating a short-term bullish bias. However, this bullish trend should be viewed with caution, as it could be a temporary bounce within the larger consolidation pattern observed on the daily chart. The upcoming earnings report, expected in the next couple of weeks, will likely be a key factor in determining the stock's direction. To get a better understanding of the stock's most recent momentum, let's shift our attention to the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart provides an ultra-short-term perspective on MSFT's price action. We can see that the stock has been very volatile over the past few hours, with several quick swings in both directions. This indicates that there's a lot of back and forth between buyers and sellers, and the stock is likely to remain choppy in the immediate future. The 15-minute chart reveals a sense of indecision among traders, with no clear dominant trend. However, we do see some potential support at around $428 and resistance at around $430. If the price breaks above $430, it could signal a potential short-term rally, but if it falls below $428, we could see a dip in the stock's value. Overall, the 15-minute chart suggests that Microsoft stock is likely to remain volatile in the very near term, with no clear indication of an immediate breakout. In conclusion, Microsoft stock is currently in a state of flux. The 1-day chart shows a range-bound pattern, indicating indecision in the market. The 1-hour chart displays a short-term bullish bias, but this trend may be a temporary bounce within the larger consolidation pattern. The 15-minute chart reflects the stock's recent volatility and indecision among traders. The key price levels to watch are the support at $420 on the 1-hour chart and the resistance at $430 on both the 1-hour and 15-minute charts. A break above $430 would suggest a bullish move, while a break below $420 would signal a potential bearish reversal. The upcoming earnings report is likely to be a major catalyst for the stock's price action. Traders and investors should keep a close eye on the news and events surrounding Microsoft, as these can significantly impact the stock's future trajectory.